this distance? Great.
Yeah.
Okay, so first we will, begin with the basic thing, which is sitting in a very straight posture, because at times we tend to and we more often bend our backs. So सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा बैक के ऊपर and stretch and exhale. Just two very simple things. Then we will progress further. Nadia, do you have any back-related injuries or any problem as such?
I have कभी back pain और ये आता है तो that lot of things along with pain and complications.
But it's manageable, and you can bear the pain. It's manageable also, and you can do some sort of flexibility related workouts, right?
But when I do yoga after
Yeah.
I'll be very good at that.
Okay, cool. Okay, so so I will tell you the first thing, which is the Nadi Charan. Okay, so this is the part of the Kundalini yoga. So what you do is, it impacts your liver. Okay, so how it does is, I'm just showing it to you. So you do legs like this and like this. Okay, so your head will be straight, and then just tell me if this angle is not working for you, so that I can just shift it like this. Okay. So you have correct. So just the body just rotating, in Anulom Vilom, and just head will be straight. Like straight, yeah, still. Correct. Just keep your legs on the ground, Nadia. Just look at me. Just look at it. Like this. Okay? And this. Like this. Correct. Just move your entire body still. Just keep moving your legs. So you will see that it is from your abdominals, there's a bend that you're getting, right? So just do it 10 times on both sides. So these are very basic but yet tiresome workouts. So just do it for a minute. Okay, not a problem. Just second. So the second asana that I'm going to show you is Paschimottanasana. Just sit like this. Keep your legs straight. Open your legs and touch your fingers. Yeah. Make sure your knees are not bending. Easy. Not just back should be straight. Like this. You will not be able to touch it in the beginning. But it's just that you will know that where your body limits. So you are also seeing the limitation of your body at the same time, right? So just be still. Don't do this. Just be still. Correct. Just look at me now. It will not be easier for you. All I'm telling you is that just follow this. Do Can you see? Very nice. Just keep your legs straight. Fine.
Straight में touch करें.
I know. It will pain. Just go easy. No hustle. Fine. I'm just
Body front walking.
correct. So I'm just seeing that how much you can stretch and what are the limitations of the body. So at the same time it is very much evident also. Yeah. If you can just go a bit lower, keep your back exercise with this, like this.
Very long back.
Yeah. So this will be done in the long run, but again, so these are the exercises. It will improve your liver and any digestion related problem it will clear that. So these are more on the healing side of it. Now coming to the stretching side of the thing, right? Okay. Just touch your two fingers on your toes. Right? Look straight and inhale. Keep inhaling. So just control on your breath and inhale it as much as you can. So it's like just feel the movement and inhale and exhale. Let's stand up. Yeah, please get up. So now the third workout will be just going low, touching your fingers. Right? So you can see, just notice my back. Nadia, just notice my back. It has to be straight. Okay. The more bend you have, more your back is more tend to have and more prone to have injuries. Right. So we need to factor those things in. So just always keep your back straight. So like if you have this bend, then at times you will get your muscle injured or let's say pulled from the wrong places. Right. So. No pressure, जितना हो सकता है उतना काफी है. Any preference you would like to do, you can also tell me so that at the same time I am telling you a couple of very basic but very fundamental workouts that you should be doing every day, and these should be the part of your everyday workout routine, right? Because the more you do yoga and the meditation, it will and keep your mind sane. Okay, so next asana is just lay down on the ground on the chest. Right? Just lay down. Right? Excellent. Just bend your back from the top. Don't lift your body. Ma'am, you're lifting your body. Just look at me. Yeah. So I am bending from here, from my back, right? So entire body is, I'm lying on the ground and I'm slowly lifting it up like this. And when you look up, inhale. When you look down, exhale. Always remember that. Okay? And not superb, superb. That's it, that's it. Fine, fine, man. So, these are the workouts. In yoga, you need to keep your body still and hold your body for some time. So, if you remember the slides, the first box was flex, right? So, we need to do flexing as much as possible, right? So, now you can just lay down on the other side. Also, just to highlight couple of things here, in yoga, it's about having the permutation combination. You look at, you know your body, you know the requirement, right? So if you have knee problem, then you will, try and do and take workouts which are a bit different, suited for different purpose. If you, let's say, have, some problem with regards to chest congestion or let's say some other thing, then you do some other exercises. And one of the very important thing is, when you sit, always try and keep your back straight because it's a very basic thing, right? But most of us tend to, avoid it and do this. This is called Skand Chalan. Man, can you just come in front so that, I can see if you're doing it right? Like, if you can face the camera, like this side. There, so, correct. So just keep your neck still. Just see my neck. It's not moving in the right direction. And like this. You are like doing this, right? If you're rotating your shoulder, so what it does is it brings the mobility in your deltoids, right? So this is like aage and then reverse, like this. Correct. Very nice. And then like this. So you will notice my neck is still. So just do it 5 or let's say 10 repetition each, like front and the back. And the back. So now, again, this is very good exercise if you have chest congestion, if you have, let's say, a shoulder problem, do it. This is a very good exercise, very basic one also. The other exercise is Chakrasana. Tell me if you have tried these exercises before or let's say you are trying it for the first time, so you can always,
Standing this.
Correct. So you are taking your hands like this, slowly lifting your body like this.